Hi, welcome to Zeus Garage. Peace be upon you. Today we're gonna unbox to you one of the most famous exhaust brand for Harley Davidson and also superbikes. That's well known in the United States and all over the world. It's called the Two Bros Racing, or short form TBR. Special TBR ni. Okay, so we're gonna unbox the set. So this is actually a TBR 2-in-1 exhaust system. It's meant for the touring models who would like to have 2-in-1. And this TBR, this particular model, is actually finished in stainless steel, brushed stainless steel actually. So it's so beautiful. And this is the tailpipe or the muffler. So as you can see, the logo is etched with the plate here at the back, and the tailpipe is finished in carbon fiber. Very special. And the secret to all exhaust system is actually the internal construction. This is the secret baffle that is made by TBR that produces sound and performance. And mind you, this exhaust system by TBR is already dyno tested. Means it's bolt in to your Harley Davidson, straight away you get the performance and sound. And all TBR products are actually handmade, and it's using TIG welded. And you can see some welding points on this exhaust system that is handmade. And this is the header. This is the header, the front header.
Okay, to your exhaust port, and then connect to your tailpipe, to the muffler.
To the muffler.
Okay, so you have two ports here, and they also include the hardware. Okay, in case the port size does not match to your O2 sensor, they also provide the adapter. Yeah, worm clamp, exhaust bracket, spring, nut for the exhaust. Okay, these are the hardware, and also the heat shield. You get a pair of heat shield for front and rear header.
This is the heat shield.
Also chrome, also finished in aluminium, brushed aluminium.
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's hand-built, handmade in USA. Okay, so this is the TIG weld, right?
so TIG welded. You can see the finishes.
Okay, so this one from TBR, the moment you install, you get performance, you get the nice sound that's coming from this brand. And let me show you some other examples. This one is the muffler that is finished in a beautiful matte black. There. And the pattern of this muffler is actually called a gooseneck because it's sweep to the side.
Tengkuk angsa.
Tengkuk angsa, yeah. So beautifully finished. So this is finished in black. And we are the authorized distributor for TBR, Two Brothers Racing, for Malaysia. And you can contact us or drop us in for information. And I can't wait to show you once we install to the bike and hear the performance and sound. Okay, bye bye. See you. Hi, welcome to Zeus Garage. Peace be upon you. Come on. Today we already installed this TBR on this touring road team. So as you can see, it's a 2-in-1 setup. This is a competition series 2-in-1 shorty because it's short. And the end muffler, the tailpipe, as you can see over here, is a gooseneck type, and finish the tip with a black matte finish. So everything has been installed except for the heat shield. We're gonna crank it up later and hear the sound. Okay. Hi, welcome back. So now we already finished installing. Come over. This is the TBR 2into1 Shorty Competition Series by the brand TBR. So it's finished in stainless steel brush aluminium. So we already finished installing. So now it's time to crank this beast up and we can hear the sound. So this 2into1 will actually give you the sound, the performance, and of course the adrenaline pump. Okay? Bawah sikit. Okay, so you get that performance by having from TBR. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.